Hello ladies, this is Liam from CYhair again. So for the last two previous videos, we discussed with you guys about how to import hair from Vietnam and how to import hair to Nigeria. And today, in this video, we were talking about how to import hair from Zambia. As you do know, Zambia is also a very potential market in South African countries. Therefore, there are a lot of monies, a lot of sources there. However, the problem is that there are a lot of low quality hairs over there, and the customers over there are not yet used to high quality hair. So you are picking luxury hair and selling there will be your best options. So today in this video we will have you guys with that and how to import hair directly from Vietnam from CYhair to start your hair business in Zambia and grow up. Let's start the videos. Okay, so first thing I will show you how to doing research online and how to find appropriate hair business as well as hair type you are going to sell for. So first thing is the industrial age of 2.0 with the eras of internet marketing. So you can search everything online. You can go to your personal computers, you can go online, you can read newspapers about the news, you can search for the hair extension style that you are going to sell. Like you should find out what you are going to start your hair business with first. Like for example, you are going to sell hair bundles, or you are going to sell wigs, or you are going to start your hair business with just clip-in tape and also tip. It depends on you. You can search Google through any social media platform and decide. And the second thing, when you confirm on what hair extension type you are going to sell, you can contact the companies, the most famous one in that companies, so that you can get in touch with them. You can chat with them directly through their WhatsApp, through their Instagram account, or even their Facebook messengers. So when you get a reply from them, you can discuss with them directly about payment terms, about order process, all things, and then you can make the orders. So the most important process will be the orders and payment process. So I will explain to you guys how to import hair from Zambia now. So first thing, the first step, you are going to picking with your orders, including your order details like hair type that you are going to buy, like bond straight, natural straight, curly, wavy. Like we have some hot style over here like pixie curly, and also ombre blonde colors. And then when you are confirmed on your order details, you can send me your order list, and then the sales departments, they will make invoice for you. The second step, you will be confirmed on the invoice, including all the details like the total hair cost, total shipping costs to your country. We can ship to you via DHL and UPS. Also we have agent in China, we can send there to you, so you don't have to pay any extra tax in your countries. So for the third step, you are going to give us payment. You can pay us via many platforms such as Western Unions, bank transfer, Visa, cryptocurrencies, and many other things that you are going to pick for. And the fourth step, you are going to give payment. You can go directly to the banks in your country or the nearby banks in your neighborhood zone to make payments. Like you can do Western Unions, or you can choose to make payments online via your computer laptops. It's very convenient for you. After that, when you complete your payments, you can share with the suppliers your payment slip so that they can check. And when the money is confirmed, the production department, they will start the hair for you, and then after 5-7 days they will provide you with videos, pictures, and everything. Yes, so that is the whole process. now you've finished your orders and payment process. Let's start with the shipping process. So after the production is finished, you confirm on your orders including videos and pictures. We will start shipping the food, the hair to you. So there are many ways that we will ship to you, including we can ship to you through UPS, DHL, and also we have China agents we can send to them so that they will send the hair to you. That's the first step. After the warehouse or the China agents they receive the hair from us, they will make documentaries for you, including invoice values on the hair, so that I will give you all the information so that you can check again. So for the third step, you are going to get the tracking code from us. I will generate it and will send to you via your WhatsApp, and also if you are chatting with me on other platform, I will send on it as well. And for the fourth step, the deliveries, they will deliver your hair after 5-7 days of flying and also business day. After that, the last step, you will receive the hairs at your front door, your front house, so you don't have to do anything, just pick up the hairs and then receive your products. And if you are still wondering what hair tie, what hair color and hairstyle you are going to purchase for first order to start your hair business in Zambia, don't worry, CYhair will help you guys with that. And over here on the shelter, I got a lot of bone straight hair color with very hot on the market Zambia right now. Let me show you. Like natural colors, one of our best sellings, yellow color, green, purple, orange over here, browns, red whites, red colors, and also last one, ombre color. Let me pick and show you the red white over here. On my hand right now, you see red wine colors, very beautiful, very silky. You can buy this for reselling in your country very well. And also, I got some wavy and curly style hairs right now on my street. You can watch it. I will send some videos right here on the street. You can watch right now. We got big C curly, we got fancy curly, bouncy curly, and also one of our best selling is also deep waves, very hot style. You can buy all of this. Contact us directly on our account on our Instagram page to get more consultations. And once again, thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for watching our sharing. If you like this video, please out a like, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell below to get more information and get more knowledge from us. Thank you and see you where we are.